If you want to add subtitles in CapCut quickly and easily, the fastest method is using the Auto Captions feature. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step so you can turn your spoken audio into clean, synced subtitles in just a few taps. This is perfect for short-form content, tutorials, talking head videos, and any edit where you want better accessibility and more viewer retention. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple CapCut tips and editing guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open CapCut and make sure your project is already loaded. If you haven't started a project yet, create one and import the video you want to subtitle. Once you're inside the editing timeline, look at the top menu and tap on Text. This is where CapCut keeps all of its text-based tools, including subtitle options. After you tap Text, select Auto Captions. CapCut will now take you to the automatic subtitle setup screen. Here, the most important step is choosing the correct spoken language. Make sure the language matches the audio in your video, because this helps CapCut transcribe your speech more accurately. Once you've selected the right language, tap Generate. CapCut will then process your audio, listen to the spoken words, and create subtitles automatically for you. Depending on the length of your video, this may take a few moments. When it finishes, you'll see the subtitles appear directly on your timeline, already synced with your video's audio. This is the huge time-saving part, because instead of typing everything manually, CapCut does the heavy lifting for you. From there, you can review the captions and make any quick edits if needed. You may want to check for spelling, timing, or any words that were transcribed incorrectly. If your video has background noise, fast speech, or strong accents, it's always a good idea to scan through the captions before exporting. You can also adjust the subtitle styling if you want them to match your brand or make them easier to read. That might include changing the font, size, color, position, or background for better visibility. Once everything looks good, your subtitles are ready and you can continue editing or export your finished video. So that's how to CapCut subtitles using Auto Captions in the fastest way possible. It's simple, beginner-friendly, and one of the easiest ways to make your videos look more professional and keep viewers watching longer. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more CapCut tutorials, editing tricks, and easy step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.